A record is a special kind of class or struct designed specifically for data models. The record modifier instructs the compiler to automatically generate useful members, such as an override of toString and members that support value equality. You can declare and instantiate records using the same syntax as classes or structs, replacing the class keyword with record or using record struct instead of struct. Records can inherit from other records, but they cannot inherit from classes, nor can classes inherit from records. Record structs differ from regular structs in that the compiler synthesizes methods for equality comparison and toString. For positional record structs, a deconstruct method is also automatically generated. The record modifier defines a reference type with built-in functionality for encapsulating data. The record class syntax is synonymous with class, clearly indicating a reference type, while record struct defines a value type with similar capabilities. Although records can be mutable, they are primarily designed for immutable data models, enhancing clarity and safety in data handling.